Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a ghost effect on Capcut. First, you will need to open your Capcut application and import the video clip you wish to edit. This effect works best with clips where the subject moves across the frame. We'll cover duplicating your clip, applying overlays, and adjusting blend modes to achieve a truly ethereal look. Get ready to transform your footage. To begin, open your Capcut project and select the video clip you want to apply the ghost effect to. Tap on the clip, then find the duplicate option, usually found in the editing toolbar. This creates an exact copy. Next, drag this new, duplicated clip directly above your original clip on the timeline. You should now have two identical clips stacked on top of each other, ready for the next step. Now select the top, duplicated clip and tap Overlay to place it on a separate track. With this overlay clip selected, look for the Blend option in your editing menu. Here, you can choose from various blend modes. Try Burn or Overlay for a classic ghost appearance. Then, adjust the opacity slider, typically between 20 and 40%, to control how transparent your ghost appears. To make your ghost effect truly dynamic, consider adding keyframes to the overlay clip. This allows you to animate its opacity, making the ghost fade in and out smoothly. You can also apply a quick fade-in or fade-out transition at the beginning or end of the overlay. Once satisfied, play back your video to ensure the effect is perfect. Finally, export your masterpiece in high definition for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.